Dogs don't sweat. Dogs don't sweat like we do. They only have sweat glands in their paws. That means when your pup gets hot, those little paw pads are the only place moisture escapes. So why don't they overheat? Because dogs have a totally different cooling system. Panting. When your dog sticks out its tongue and breathes fast, it's actually releasing heat through the moisture in its mouth and lungs. This is why you'll see wet paw prints on the floor during a stressful vet visit or a hot summer walk. Those marks are your dog's version of sweating it out, since the rest of their body can't release heat the way humans do. Next time your dog's panting like crazy after a fetch session, remember, they're not just tired, they're literally trying to cool down, because their bodies can't sweat all over like ours.